Iran is our Miss Charity.
Congratulations to Miss Iran.
Very far.
I also know her dress is like a save the environment statement there.
这个奖项就是要送给我们觉得有代表健康的奖项啊，所以呢，这个 Miss Health and Fitness。
Forward so the
Ladies and gentlemen, this year's Miss Health and Fitness is Miss USA!
Congratulations, Miss USA.
Miss Health and Fitness is very important this moment in time because you have to be healthy, you have to be fit while enjoying your pageant season, right?
Yes, actually, I've been trying to work out extra the past couple months to get ready for Miss Tourism. All right, Miss Tourism Ambassador. This award goes to Miss Hawaii.
Our Miss Tourism Ambassador is Miss Hawaii.
During this time, she has shared all about Hawaii and all the beautiful locations of Hawaii, and that's why she has won the title of Miss Tourism Ambassador. And honestly, I can't wait to go to Hawaii again.
Have you been to Hawaii?
I had when I was young.
Oh, okay. I think you have to ask Hawaii later about the other tourism destinations that her place can offer.
Yes.
Once again, congratulations to Miss Hawaii, our Miss Tourism Ambassador. Ladies and gentlemen, this year's Miss Face of Beauty International Queen of Oceania. She is Miss Fiji.
Miss Fiji, congratulations. 恭喜斐济小姐。好，往中间站一点。You stand in the middle of it. Yes, thank you.
Our continental queen of Oceania, Miss Fiji.
Next one is for Miss Africa's. We have Miss Botswana.
Our continental queen of Africa is Miss Botswana. To present the award, can we have Miss Lila Manuel and one of our judges on this side from the Thailand group of judges. Can I request one of the judges please join us here? It's just an ordinary award. It's actually a special title. It comes with a responsibility.
Yes, it does, because they have to represent and share this Miss FOB organization.
Move on to our continental queen. I'll be announcing the winner for the Miss Face of Beauty International Continental Queen of Asia. And she is Miss Indonesia. To present the award, can we have Miss Lina Manuel and one of our judges again, the beautiful lady on that side.
恭喜印尼小姐。 Congratulations, Miss Indonesia. The next continental queen that we will be crowning is for Europe. This award goes to Netherlands!
Miss Netherlands, our continental queen of Europe.
恭喜荷兰小姐！ Wow, her smile is so vibrant today.
Congratulations, Miss Netherlands, our Miss Hazelgate International Continental Queen of Europe. The next special title that we have is the Miss Hazelgate International Continental Queen of the Americas. And ladies and gentlemen, this is winner is Miss Ecuador.
Congratulations, Miss Ecuador!
The city of
Kaohsiung, yes, we have the grand finale 总大的总决赛在高雄9月19号，所以请大家希望可以看到大家。
Congratulations, Miss Ecuador, our continental queen of the Americas.